Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce Marketplace RMA plugin. Now the WooCommerce Marketplace Return Merchandise Authorization plugin allows you to set up a system for the customers to request a return easily. With the help of this plugin, the customers can return the products, have them replaced or refunded within the specified time limit set by the admin from the plugin configuration settings. Apart from that, the sellers will be able to add RMA reasons and shipping labels as well for the customers. Kindly note that this particular plugin, that's the WooCommerce Marketplace RMA plugin, is an add-on to the WooCommerce Multi-Vendor Marketplace by Webcool. So you'll have to have that plugin installed, and then you can make use of the WooCommerce Marketplace RMA plugin functionality there within your Marketplace web store. So all in all, this particular plugin allows the buyers and sellers to communicate under the requested RMA section. The admin can also manage the status and the reasons. The customers can upload images while requesting a RMA. Email notifications of RMA for the admin, seller and customers. Customers can print the shipping label as required. Sellers can add their own RMA reasons and can add the shipping labels as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customer's end and at the admin's end. At the admin's end, I'll be showing you the initial configuration settings that are required for the WooCommerce Marketplace RMA plugin. At the customer's end, in today's video, we'll be seeing how, after placing an order, how the customer can request for a refund. The exchange process I'll be showing you in another video there, but I'll just give you an overview for the exchange as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the Marketplace web store front end, and what I'll be doing is, as a customer, right now I've logged into my customer account here. If I go to my account, you'll be able to see my account dashboard on the left hand side panel here. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be going to the shop page and I'll be proceeding further by placing an order for a particular product there. So what I'll do is, I'll select this particular product, that's beanie with logo, and I'll be adding it into the cart there. Let's view the cart. After viewing the cart, I can see the particular shipping method selected. I can proceed to checkout. On the checkout, I'll select my payment method here and I'll be entering the details of my address. My billing details are already filled there, and I'll tap here on the place order button. After the order has been placed, now how the customers would be, after placing an order, how the customers can request for a refund, I'll be showing you the process in a while from now. So as soon as the order gets placed, you can see that the order has been placed, order has been received. The order number is 276. And here are the details: beanie with logo, sold by John Doe Shop. Now the customer is going to proceed further for a refund. He mistakenly placed the order, or due to some reasons he doesn't want the product to arrive at his home, and he doesn't want to he wants to get a refund for this particular order. So now how the customer would be able to request for a refund from the seller there, I'll show you the procedure for the same. So I'll go to my account section. Here on the left hand side, I'll find one RMA option. I'll tap on that. That will bring up this particular section. Currently I have not created any return merchandise authorizations here for any of the returns or what we say as the exchange or refunds there. So to add a new RMA, what I need to do is, I need to tap here on the add button. This will bring up the new RMA information section, as you can see here. So the very first thing that we need to do is, we need to select the order. So I'll select the order. Now let me check the order number here that we have just placed, 276. Let's go to RMA section, add RMA. Here I'll select the order number 276. Beanie with logo was the product. I'll select this. I'll choose the reason there. I'll choose wrong product. Return quantity is 1. If I want, I can upload the image of the product as well. So for this example, let's upload an image. So I'll just tap on that. and this will bring up the section to select a particular image. So I'll just go ahead with a particular image here. For example, let's go with the watch image. I can enter additional information here that would be visible to the particular seller. So what I'll do is I'll enter the additional information details here. So just need a refund as I am not going to get this product, for example. Then we have to choose the order delivery status. Right now the delivery status is not complete there, so it's in the processing state, so that's why we are seeing the processing one. So we'll choose it as processing. Now if the delivery order delivery status was complete, then under the resolution type we would be able to see the exchange option as well. So that I will be showing you in another video of this particular plugin. So in today's video we'll just see the refund procedure. So I'll select the refund here. After selecting the order delivery status, I'll choose the resolution type as refund. And this consignment section is if you're returning the product. If we have chosen the exchange option here, then in that case we need to enter the consignment number as well. So for this we don't need any consignment number because the order is still in the processing state, and we are choosing the resolution as refund type for the RMA there. And then we have the return policy. This return policy can be set up by the admin from the plugin configuration settings. So we'll have to agree to that I've read and agree to the policy there, and then we need to tap on the request button. So you can see that the request has been placed successfully under the RMA section. Now we are able to see for the order 276, that's having the RMA status as pending. The date is today's date, 26th of May. And from here we can view or cancel the RMA as well. If you tap here on the cancel, then the RMA status would be set up as cancelled here. Otherwise, if you want to view the particular RMA that you created for the refund there, you can tap here on the view button or the view link basically, and this will bring up the RMA details. As you can see here, you have the order ID, the RMA status is pending, delivery status is processing, customer name is John Doe, the resolution type is a refund. Under additional information, the customer has entered just need a refund as I'm not going to get this particular product. Now the customer can see these details. He can go to the products to view the name of the product, the reason selected, the return quantity. If any images have been uploaded, that images will be displayed here, and we have the manage option to check this to mark as solved. So whenever the refund has been made into the customer's account and the customer realizes the same, then the customer can mark this as resolved from his end, or the seller can set it as solved from his end as well. So here we also have the print shipping label. In the case of exchange, the customers can tap on the print shipping label, and that would basically print the shipping label that would then be used to apply to the parcel that they are returning. So here we have the shipping label. So from here we have the RMA label as well, and here the product details from and two details are here. So you have to enter your from, and two details are already entered here as per the configuration settings that has been set by the admin from the backend panel of this particular plugin. And you can tap here on the print option to print the particular shipping label as per your own requirement there for the shipment that you are or the consignment that you are returning back. So for the refund we don't need to tap on the print shipping label. So under the RMA details also you have one option to chat with the seller there. Hello, need a refund for the order, kindly do not process the order, thanks. And I can send this out to the particular seller as well. So here you can see the RMA details, and here we have the chat, hello, need a refund for the order, kindly do not process the order, thanks. Now let me take you to the seller end. Here we are on the seller already logged into the marketplace seller account, and on the left hand side we have the marketplace dashboard. Here you'll find one option with the name manage RMA. So So if I tap on that, I'll be able to see the RMA generated for my products. So here's the order number 276. Customer name is John Doe. Product is beanie with logo. The reason is wrong product. RMA status is pending. So from here I can view the particular RMA. Apart from that, if I want, I can also manage the reasons that can be selected for my products by tapping here on the manage reasons, and this would list the reasons: late delivery, wrong product, defected, or test reasons. So these were the reasons that were available for the customers to select while creating the particular RMA for this particular seller there. Let's tap here on the back. Here we also have the add button on the manage reasons section to add a particular reason, or you can edit or delete any of the reasons by tapping on the edit or delete links as per your own requirement there. So now coming back to the particular RMA created by the customer for the order number 276, we can view the particular RMA by tapping on the view link. Here we are having the RMA details. As you can see, the resolution type asked is refund. The additional information is just need a refund as I'm not going to get this particular product. And the chat is hello, need a refund for the order, kindly do not process the order, thanks. So the seller can respond back to the customer, well, we are looking into this and shall update you soon. And then the seller can send the chat message to the customer there. Now if I go back to the customer section here by going to the RMA, then the particular RMA, by tapping on the view link, I'll be able to see the message that has been sent by the seller, that's the Peter Doe. We are looking into this and shall update you soon. Now let's go back to the seller account. So from here the seller can manage the details, like he can update the RMA status as well. He can set it as approved, decline, or sold. Approve, let's approve this particular RMA. So right now if I go here, the status is pending, and now if I come back and I approve this particular RMA for the refund, the RMA status has changed to approve. On the customer's end, if I refresh the RMA section here, we can see it's in approval state now. Now how the seller would be able to refund the amount here, or because he has already approved this up, so he'll go to the order history on the left hand side panel, go to the order number 276, view the particular order. Here he'll find the refund option. Here he'll type in the refund. He'll select the refund quantity, whether the shipping is to be refunded or not. He can check this option to refund the shipping as well. He can enter the refund reason. Customer wanted a refund, for example. He can restock the refunded items, and he can tap here on the refund manually to refund it manually. Then out of the box he can refund the amount into the customer's account, and whenever the customer recognizes the same, at that time the customer can mark it as sold as well. So we have done it. We have refunded the amount here. Now if I go to the customer's account and I go to the orders section, order number 276, if I view it up, here we can find the details of the particular order that for which we had got the refund itself, right? Now here you can see the customer wanted a refund, and this amount has been refunded back to the customer there itself. Now I can go back to the RMA section, and you can see that the status processing. I can view it up. I can go to the manage section and I can check this to mark as solved, and I can update it after I realize that the amount has been credited into my account there, and the RMA status would be set as solved thereafter. Now if I go to the backend here and go to the manage RMA, you can see that it has been marked as solved. If I view it up, it's been marked as solved, and the RMA has been marked as solved for the refund there. So yes, that was about the workflow or the customer's end after placing an order, how the customer can request for a refund. For the exchange process, I'll be creating another video there. Now let me show you the initial configuration settings as well at the admin's end. So for that, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you to the backend panel of the admin. And after the successful installation of the Marketplace RMA plugin, you'll find the Marketplace RMA option on the side panel here. Under that, you'll find three different options. One is the Manage RMA, Manage Reasons, and Configuration. Let's go to the configuration first. So here we have two different tabs. One is the RMA settings and the Add Shipping Label. Under the Add Shipping Label, the admin can add the shipping labels as per the requirement there. Under the RMA settings, the admin can enable the RMA status for the store itself by enabling it up. The admin can set up the RMA time in number of days. So here you can add time limit for customer. Only less than the entered days customers can generate the RMA for any order. Then we have the order status for RMA. So whichever orders you have selected, the statuses that you have selected here, for only for those selected statuses the RMA would be available. So the customers can place RMA only for those status of order which is selected here. Then we have the return address. This return address is visible on the shipping label. So you have to enter the same as per your own requirement. And here you can enter the RMA policy that is visible to the customers while they are creating or generating a particular RMA under their own account panel. So this is the initial configuration settings, and then you need to tap here on the Save Changes button. Then coming to the Manage Reasons, here the admin would be able to create the different reasons. As you can see here, to add a new reasons, you can tap here on the Add Reason button. You can also edit or delete any of the created reasons by tapping on the Edit or the Delete links. And to add a reason, you have to tap here on the Add Reason button, enter the reason, select the status whether it's enabled or disabled, and tap on the Save button, and that particular reason would be listed here under this particular section. Under the Manage RMA, the admin will find the complete list of RMAs that have been generated by the customers, and from here the admin can view or delete any of the RMAs. So these managed reasons are for the admin's product there. Similarly, the sellers, as I've shown you, can create their own reasons for their own products there. Then we have the managed RMA. As you can see, the RMA system section is here. From here we can view any particular RMA details can be viewed. We can see the products within the RMA. If there is any conversation, we can see the conversation between the seller and the buyer as well. If there are any images that have been uploaded, those images can be viewed by the admin. And under the Manage, the admin would be able to update the RMA status as well as per the requirement there for the particular RMA that has been generated by the customer itself. So it works for the admin as well in a similar fashion as I've shown you at the seller's end. So yes, that was much about the WooCommerce Marketplace RMA plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin allows you to set up a system for the customers to request a return easily. With the help of this plugin, the customers can return the products, have them replaced or refunded within the specified time limit. Apart from that, the sellers will be able to add RMA reasons and shipping labels as well for the customers there. So in the next video, I'll be showing you the process of exchange there, how the customers would be able to request an RMA for the exchange of a particular product there. So that was much about the video tutorial today, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.